Okay, so we're just coming to Trevor again quickly, where I last did my windshield banner. If you haven't checked out that video, I will link it up top. So yeah, I just made some more samples quickly for season 1 of Yunek's drop. So keen to see what the stickers look like, and I'm going to be putting them on my car. So I will be giving you guys a sneak peek as to what stickers will be available for season 1. So we're just pulling up to his house now. I don't come to this area too often, but there's really nice houses here. Not this one, it's a bad example, but I'll show you guys what I mean. Here's one good example. We get to Trevor's house. I wonder if he's done anything to. Oh, he's busy cleaning his garage, and the Audi is out. Sick. It's always looking so baller. Oh, he's got a friend, yeah. Car's looking good as ever.
Thanks.
I saw the other day. I saw the little video. Whose city golf is that? Yo, looks very nice.
That's also mine.
Another toy. Chill.
My Oppo has just gone out quickly.
What is this? That's why like at the back I did low, but at the front also with the width of the wheels I can't turn. So
no, but it looks cool with this drop here as well.
Right now, yeah. Cool, it looked a lot different when you sit next to another figure. That's all that matters.
Yeah, it does.
But there's a couple of really nice ones that have that are bagged. So goals, but
bags. Something else.
Yeah, dude, you can get the craziest Fitbit. Bye bye, guys.
Cheers, man.
I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go make a turn past Trendsetter Car Wash just to end off this the Sunday well. I think there are definitely a couple of nice cars there. There always is, and there's a super nice sunset as you guys can see, so I'm definitely going to check it out quick. Let's see what's going on at Trendsetter Car Wash. Sunday vibes? Yes, no vibes. I just want to give some daily advice again. Shit. I'm a bit skewed, so I just want to give some daily advice again. And it's been a while. I have been busy. I have been forgetting to give you guys some tips. So everyone obviously passes through different phases and stages and events in their life, and everyone goes through different things. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to you being comfortable with who you are, and loving yourself as God loves you. So I just want to inspire you guys to keep believing in yourself, to keep believing in your goals and your dreams. Don't let other people put a cap on what you can achieve or what you will be able to do in life. No matter what situation you come from, what background you come from, what happened to you in your past, it's all in the past for a reason. We can't change it, we just learn from that. So my tip for today is take whatever happened to you in the past, use that as fuel for your future, for the future you want to create for yourself. I mean, there's so many things that you can take negatively and take the wrong way, but if you focus on the positive, things will start turning out positive. So what I'm coming down to is, don't blame anything or anyone in your life for anything that has happened to you, because the only person that's responsible for anything that happens to you in your life is you yourself. No one else is to blame for that. So when you get to a situation where you feel you want to blame or you want to criticize, just remember that you're sitting in the situation in your life because of the decisions that you made. So for future, make sure that the decisions that you make are going to get you to the future that you want for yourself. To achieve those goals that you want, or the things you are doing daily now, are they pushing you to get towards your goals, or are they pulling you away? Because everything that happens on a daily basis will determine whether or not you'll receive or be able to achieve your goals in the long run. So I'm just on my day. I am just going to my father quick to go pick up some stuff there, and then I'll be home to show you guys the stickers. They look really dope. I'm happy with the way they came out. And then on the last note, oh shit, I went down the wrong road. See, I'm busy speaking to you guys, I got confused. So yeah, I'll be doing the sticker install on my car. I will actually be putting on the new sticker that I got, and then the other smaller sticker is for something cool. That's for something like really special. So can't wait to show you guys. So just gonna get to my dad. You guys know what happens when the tunnel comes up. If you don't give a little bit of gas when there's a tunnel. Oh, those pops, those bangs. Look at how beautiful the sky is. Don't you guys think we are so blessed? Just look at this. Wow. Sorry, but this is my wild side coming out. I'm just super pumped when there's stuff like this that happens, and you have weather like this and the sky looks like this. Like, what more can you ask for? Okay guys, so just getting to my dad's house now. I'm gonna see all the massive dogs. Yeah, just picking out something up quickly, and then I'm gonna head home so I can get these stickers installed for you. Oh, the man is busy without his shirt. Caught in action. Hello, sir. Can you open for me? There's one of the doggos. Beast. There's another one of the doggos back there. So, for those people that want really good fitment like this is all possible. Let's just go closer. This is all possible by parking in a driveway. What's up guys? So yeah, I just got home. I'm basically just getting ready to start editing one of the videos for Friday. So in my hands here I have the stickers, the samples. So these are actually just the media and my personal YouTube name. So that will be going on the car. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. I'll show you now. No, I'll show you now. And then this is one of the first stickers I'll ever be launching. I'm super excited for this, guys. Yeah, so it's basically the same stickers, they're just going to be in different sizes, and I'm going to be putting mine on where I want it. So the first one is this size. So this is typically for something you'll be able to put on your car's window or on your car itself. And what I'm going to be doing this one is I'm going to be putting on my Mac. And then we get the big boy, which also says Yunek Perspective, and then at the bottom it says Originals. So this is the bigger boy. This will be for the front of the windshield, or you can use it as a windshield banner, but it's just obviously just the lettering, and obviously also for the back of the window. So those are the stickers. This is one of those new samples shirts. I have changed the design a bit. So yeah, I'm really excited for what's going to happen with Yunek Originals, guys. Hopefully people are noticing the brand now a bit more, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, so we need to do this right the first time. Can't make mistakes because there's only one of these. This is a one-off. I don't know if you guys can see. Yunek perspective. Oh, let's put it on and see what it looks. Oh, almost made a mistake. Okay, so Yunek perspective. There by the apple. I think that's spot on. Give it a nice little rub. Okay, I hope you guys are ready for this. Let me just zoom you in. Start looking a little bit better. Okay, I'm gonna try this one-handed. Boom! No! Okay, wait, we're missing a letter. It was a little bit of a fail to get it on. That's why you make samples. So we are definitely going to thicken the lines a bit and make the font a bit thicker on the Japanese font. So hopefully you guys like it. You can order those via Instagram. My link is down below at Yunek Originals. So just place an order there, or at Brandon Hewitt on my other Instagram. Yeah, or you can contact me through Twitter as well at Brandon Hewitt. So whatever way you want to. Otherwise, I will be having stickers at meets or at events, so just keep an eye on my stories to find out which events I'm going to if you want to pick up some of the stickers. Once again, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone that has subscribed recently, or everyone that has been subscribed for such a long time already. I really appreciate it. Guys, the channel is really growing very well. Obviously, it's not about the numbers for me, but I do want to reach that 1K subscribers. You know, it is a personal goal, just one of many for the channel. So thank you to everyone that has been in support of the channel growing, and obviously been watching the videos, sharing the videos, liking the videos, and also been actually putting the notification bell on. That's very important. So yeah, just thank you to everyone that has basically joined on board onto the channel recently. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I know the fall content hasn't been a lot. That is going to pick up, I promise. Just busy planning a couple of things that I want to get done. So yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for joining for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Really appreciate everyone that has been part of this journey. It's almost a year now that we started the channel, like taking it very seriously, and I hope that it's been improving, and I hope that you guys can see a difference in the videos. I would really appreciate it if you guys can comment down below if you can. Once again, thank you to Trevor for the stickers. I really appreciate it. We're gonna walk along the road, especially with the designs and stuff. I can't wait. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep the positive vibes coming, and just keep